So guys, there is one symbol we have not studied till now, that is called subset. Subset represented subset. When we say that set set A is subset of set B, means A subset B. When we say that, it implies that if and only if element of set A, means element of set A means element A is belong to set A, implies that A also belong to set B. When you say that A is the subset of B, implies that element of set A also belong to set B. So that way you can say that A is the subset of B. When you say that B subset A, implies that if and only if element of set, suppose B, element of set B also belong to set A. This way you can say that B is subset of A. So let's suppose take example. A here given that A, B, C, D, E, and B set is given as B, C. So when you say that B is subset A, which implies that all the element of set B also belong to set A. So here you can see that these are the set. So, and here you can see that all the element of set A does not belong to set B. So you can say that A is not subset of set B, like that. A is not subset of set B. Here set B is subset of set A. So this way you can find the subset. So there is a topic related to subset which is called power set. Power set of set A. You can say that power set. So what is the power set? So power set is defined as a power set can be defined as a collection of all the possible subject. So what is the power set? Let's suppose power set. Power set of set A is write as a power set of A, means all the possible subset of set A is called the all the possible subset of the set is called a power set of set A is called the power set of set A. So let's suppose set A has element A comma B. So what will be the power set of set A? Then you can write as phi is the empty set, A is the subset, possible subset, B is the possible subset, and also A comma B will be the subset. So this way you can write as a power set. While so you can say that here set A is the subset of power set. So you can see that here phi is the subset. So we always say that note empty set is always subset of any set. You can say that. So let's find number of element in power set. Suppose that, so let's suppose let number of element in set A, number of element of set A is m. Imply that n set A is m. So what will be the number of element in power set? So number of elements of power set of set A, what will be the color 2 to the power m. You can find this way 2 to the power n. So here number of element in set A is 2. So take example, this one is example. Number of element in set A is 2. So number of element in power set will be 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. So here you can see that number of element of power set of set A is 4. So this way you can find the power set of any set. So let's move to next topic.